Hi, welcome to this video. To create recurrent tasks in Notion, you can use the built-in repeating database template feature, which automatically generates a new task entry based on a schedule you choose. Or if you're really lazy, you could just head over to the Notion AI and tell Notion that I want a repeating database template, right? Or recurring task database, right? And let Notion create it for you, right? So we explained that a lot in previous videos. You could just tell the Notion AI to create a template, right? Or create a task or basically a workshop where you can just feed it exactly what you want, and the Notion will create everything you need, right? So AI can make it like a lot easier for you. Consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.